For decades, hardware defined what technology could do. Software defined what it did. But in 2026, artificial intelligence is redefining both. We are witnessing a fundamental shift, from devices that run apps to devices that understand intent, adapt in real time, and operate as intelligent extensions of the human mind. Today, we're breaking down the top 5 AI hardware innovations shaping 2026. Not hype, not speculation, but real technological shifts that are changing how we interact with the digital world. This is not just the future of tech. This is the future of computing itself. For the first time, major technology companies are designing hardware around AI first, not as an added feature. We're seeing the rise of AI-centric personal devices, wearables, pins, and assistants that don't rely on screens, keyboards, or traditional apps. These devices use microphones, cameras, sensors, and contextual awareness to operate continuously in the background. Instead of asking, "What app do I need?" you ask, "What do I want to accomplish?" AI handles the rest, summarizing conversations, organizing tasks, retrieving information, and acting proactively. For beginners, this removes complexity. For power users, it introduces a new computing paradigm: intent-based interaction. This is the quiet beginning of the post-smartphone era. The second major shift is happening at the silicon level. Modern AI workloads are moving off the cloud and onto the device itself, powered by next-generation neural processing units, NPUs, embedded directly into phones, laptops, wearables, and even home devices. Why does this matter? Faster response times, stronger privacy, lower reliance on internet connectivity, reduced cloud costs. In 2026, your device doesn't just send data to the cloud, it thinks locally. For advanced users, this means real-time AI inference, offline language models, and edge computing capabilities that were previously impossible on consumer hardware. For everyday users, it simply feels like magic: faster, smarter, and more personal technology. Displays are no longer passive panels. In 2026, displays are becoming intelligent surfaces. AI-enhanced screens can now detect who is looking at them, adjust brightness, privacy, and content dynamically, blur sensitive information automatically, optimize visuals based on context and environment. Combined with advanced sensors, devices can understand posture, gaze, surroundings, and user behavior in real time. This innovation is especially important in a world where devices are always on and always aware. For professionals, this improves security and productivity. For consumers, it delivers smarter, more intuitive user experiences without additional effort. The screen is no longer just what you see. It's what sees you. Wearable technology is undergoing its most significant evolution since the smartwatch. AI-driven wearables and smart glasses are shifting from fitness tracking to real-time cognitive assistance. These devices can translate conversations live, provide contextual information instantly, guide navigation without maps, enhance vision and audio perception, assist in professional workflows hands-free. The key breakthrough is ambient AI, technology that assists without demanding attention. For beginners, this reduces friction and learning curves. For experts, it unlocks new forms of augmented intelligence. The goal is not to replace human thinking, but to amplify it. Finally, we are seeing early signs of a return to modular, upgrade-friendly AI hardware. As AI models evolve rapidly, hardware must keep pace. Manufacturers are experimenting with replaceable AI accelerator modules, software-defined hardware updates, long-term device sustainability. This approach protects consumers from rapid obsolescence and allows advanced users to scale performance over time. In a world where AI improves monthly, flexibility is no longer optional. It's essential. This trend signals a move away from disposable tech toward adaptive systems built for longevity. The AI hardware revolution is not about faster processors or sharper screens. It's about changing the relationship between humans and machines. In 2026, technology is becoming more personal, more contextual, more intelligent, and less visible. The devices of the future won't demand your attention. They'll earn your trust. And this is only the beginning. Welcome to the next wave of technology.